If somebody comes and says, so and so is a very lovely man, so and so, he's so generous, look at him when he speaks, he's so kind, he's so affectionate, I saw him this other day, he was dressed so nice, man, he was smart. We won't go to that person and say that, so and so was telling you, you are a smart person, you're a handsome person. But if we hear something like, hey, that guy is a miser, he's a stingy, he's like this, he's like that, he doesn't even know how to dress properly. You saw in so and so's wedding how he was dressed. That's something, our stomach will start rumbling that, as soon as I get out from here, I need to contact that man and let him know that, see how much I care for you, so and so guy is speaking like this against you. Total opposite. We are supposed to convey good and erase the bad, leave the bad. Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam says that he who covers his Muslim brother in the dunya, Allah ta'ala covers his faults on the day of judgment. कि जो कोई अपने भाई के उयूब पर दुनिया में पर्दापोशी रखता है, अल्लाह ताला उसके उयूब पर आखिरत में पर्दा रखता है.